Welcome to Franz Josef Glacier. You're watching the Fantastic Four.
Well, today we are at Franz Josef Glacier, and it's in the Southern Alps of New Zealand, and we're staying in this nice little cabin behind us. It's kind of a self-service cabin. Basically, they leave keys in the door when you arrive, and you leave keys in the door when you leave. We're not going to take a lot of time to show you around because we're heading up to the glacier, but let's head in and we'll check it out. So when you enter through the door, this is pretty much it. You have a nice living space here with a couch, kitchen, small little kitchen in the back, and a table. So nothing fancy, but certainly something that works for a few days stay. Here's one bedroom, and there's the other bedroom. The other thing unique about this cabin is that it's on a horse farm, and I'm going to take you out back here. You can see there one of the horses. They have these miniature horses. Here's another one. You get the idea. Small little cabin on a horse farm with a wonderful view of the glacier. So right now we're excited to go check out the glacier, so we'll go do that now. So today we decided to take a trip to Franz Josef Glacier, and we're actually walking the trail up to the glacier. What do you think so far?
It's really hot, so it's not as good as I thought, really, because I'm getting sweaty and hungry and thirsty and stuff, so it's not as good as I thought it would be, really.
So what did you think it would be like?
It would be kind of like sort of cold, like warm sort of, cold.
I think Eden thought we were going to be hiking up on the snow today, didn't you?
Yes.
Yeah. But it's beautiful. The waterfalls all along this trail are just something out of a movie, and the glacier that we're coming up on is pretty impressive as well. Anyway, we're just walking through this valley, and we'll continue our walk and let you know how it goes. So we're in the middle of our hike at Franz Josef Glacier, and Autumn, what do you think?
It's really beautiful. Everywhere you turn, there's something new to look at. On one side, there's like this sort of drop-off area with trees, and then there's a river, and then behind us there's like waterfalls, and in front of us is the glacier with all the snow, and it's just really pretty. This is one of the many really beautiful waterfalls we've seen today. This is snow melt, not glacier melt, which is why it's so clear. Look at this glacier ice we found. It's really smooth. It's like a giant deformed ice cube. Hold on, there's a bigger piece down here. It's just massive, massive glacier ice. Seriously, off-boarding.
Yeah, that would be...
You just tripped over a rock in the path. Hurt yourself pretty badly.
Don't do that! Stop!
It's okay, honey. So, it's okay. That hurt. It was a big trip, wasn't it? Over a big rock. And the weird thing was, the rock was level with the ground and like jumped up like 3 feet and tripped her. It's okay. So it's the mom ambulance to the rescue. Or should I say, the mombulance to the rescue. That's all I get is a little chuckle?
Yeah.
Mombulance. That would be
That's
something you
not
would say. What, you say I have a macelet,
True.
so it's a mombulance.
It only works with you. It doesn't work with mine.
If you like our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.